Why does your scanner show the P3700 engine code? What does it mean? P3700 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation sensor B circuit high. The P3700 engine code indicates a manufacturer-controlled system fault involving ECU communication, cruise control, idle control, or auxiliary inputs. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Secondary air pump issue, bad battery terminals, damaged wiring, corrupted software, damaged engine wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Nissan, Subaru, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.